What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Quick look at our friend Gala Games. Seeing here 0.0243, down 0.9 on the day. Same market cap of 526 million. 24-hour volume, 58 million. Let's hop into the charts. So the alternative 2 is playing out. So we're looking at an impulse to the upside, 5 waves up, and now coming down in a wave 2. With a retracement in between 0.022 and 0.0197, minimum target 38.2% fib level, so we can bounce from here. But what we may be looking at is a 5-wave move down in A, pushing up into B, coming down in a wave C. But if we can start to push up and come and break the resistance of 0.0262, we could see continuation up in a wave 3 from here. But if we just get rejected by the EMAs, push a little bit higher, get rejected, roll over on the 4-hour chart, then look for a wave C into the target zone before continuation to the upside. Daily chart, we didn't quite hold the 20 EMA, but we did test the 55, which is a good sign. So what we want to see is we hold this pullback. We have a nice wave 1 up, wave 2 pullback, wave 3 gets back above the EMAs. We have the bullish cross on the daily chart, strong signal. We're going to see continuation up and that this correction is over. So everything's been playing out as we've been looking for on the charts here, which we love to see. We are currently in a Gala trade as well as Ethereum, BTC, and Sandbox. If you want direct access to my signals, 30-day free trial, all you have to do is sign up to Bikit or Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bikit, up to 8K in bonuses. Email me or sign up email. It takes 2 minutes. Make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. And you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, crypto news, member profits, how to alt plays, Forex signals analysis as well. All links are in the description. Sorry, I've been having some connection issues with Discord today. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Check out those links, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.